Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to cover objectives and question answer of chapter 1 for class 3. And before watching this video, make sure that you have seen the chapter where I have seen that video where I have explained the chapter so that you can understand the objectives and question answer properly. Okay, so let's begin. So this is chapter 1, Up in the Sky, and we are going to start with Get Set, objectives of chapter number 1. Get Set. See the question, where do you see the following? Write S for sky and L for land. Here some objects are given and you have to write S if you see them in sky and you have to write L if you see them on land. Okay, the first is sun. So we see it in sky, so we'll write on sky, so I'll write S. Horse, we see it on land. Tree, on land. Bridge, on land. Star, sky. Hill, on land. Moon, sky. River, land. And snow, also on land. So these are the objects where we have to write S, where we see the objects in the sky, we have to write S, and the objects which we see on land, we have to write L. So coming to the next page, we have checkpoint where we have to do true and false. See the question, write true and false. So let's begin. Number 1, Venus is one of the 8 planets. It's true because Venus is the second planet of our solar system. Number 2, the sun is smaller than the earth. Is sun smaller? No, it's false because sun is very big, very bigger than the earth. It's bigger. Okay. Number 3, the earth is an important source of energy. No, sun is an important source of energy, not an earth, not the earth. Okay. Number 4, the moon is a satellite of the earth. True. Clear? So number 1 is true, number 2 false, number 3 false, number 4 true. So now we come to take the correct answer. Okay, number 1, the planets, the stars, the moon and the sun are called heavenly bodies. Number 2, solar energy means the energy we get from the sun. So the energy we get from sun is called solar energy. Number 3, the closest neighbor of the earth is the. So the closest neighbor is of course the moon. Neighbor means padosi. Okay, means earth ke paas ka. Okay, clear? It's moon. Number 3, the earth's number 4, sorry, the earth's natural satellite is moon. Moon is the natural satellite of earth. Number 5, humans first landed on the moon in 1969 and it was Neil Armstrong who was the first man, and in this year only he went. Number 6, the brightest star in the night sky is the Sirius. Okay, the star at night we see, and the brightest one is the Sirius. Now coming on to question number B. Read the clues and write the answer. Some clues are given and you have to write the answer here. Number 1, it is much bigger than the earth. What is bigger than the earth? The answer is sun. Sun is much bigger than the earth. Number 2, they move around the sun. What moves around the sun? It's planets. We have 8 planets and they all move around the sun. Number 3, these are big holes on the moon surface. So moon has like big holes on its surface, and so what are they called? They're called craters. Okay. Number 4, it has no lights of its own. The answer is moon. Moon has no light of its own and it just shines at night because of the reflection of the sun's light. Okay. Number 5, we can see thousands of this in the sky at night. The answer is stars. Okay. At night we see thousands of stars shining brightly. Okay. So now we come to question answer. So we begin with number 1. Number 1, why is the sun important to us? And the answer is, before discussing the answer, I want to say that if you want to write the answer, you can pause the video. Okay, आप वीडियो रोक के आंसर लिख सकते हो. Okay, if you want, you can pause the video and then write the answer. So answer number 1 is. Next question, number 2. The sun and the moon appear to be of the same size from the Earth? Why? And the answer is now number 3. Who were the first people to land on the moon? And the answer is next question, number 4. What is a star? And the answer is now the last question, number 5. What is a constellation? Write the names of any two constellation. Let's see the answer. So this is the end of the video, and I hope objectives and question answers are now clear to everyone. So thank you and have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.